Alright folks, we're out on the water. Starting the motor now, it's about 9 a.m. We've had a major cold front go through. It's only about 55 today. It's only going up to about 60. Got a lot of clouds in the sky. A lot of clouds out here. So let's see if we can pull out a nice one here today. Get back to you guys shortly. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's some guy, some kind of wakeboard paddling in the middle of the lake. He is crazy. 60 degrees out, no sun, windy as hell. Friggin' guy. Alright, Kevin's got one on. First one of the day after about 7 hours. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Man, I didn't have a good hook, so the good thing is a Senko. I didn't let go of it.
Oh yeah, he's fighting good, man.
I don't know if I get a mix. Whoa, I'm gonna be in the motor. Stop the motor. This is a...
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Let's get 2.5 pounds. Look at that rod bend, folks.
Look at the loose drag.
Nice. Right on top of the lip. Nice large mouth.
You gonna jump again?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Finally, man.
Nice,
That's
man.
2 1/4 right there. Maybe 2.5.
Oh, easy 2.5. I would say I've been really... Look at that hook, man.
Perfect hook set.
That's in there.
You hit it on the floor over here?
No, it was on the ground, I think, because I wasn't even paying attention.
Oh, really? You were just talking about how they...
I fished on both sides of that. On the other side, he hit it.
Nice.
Little hook, too. That's it. Oop. He's cold. He feels colder. Three, 2.
Nice. 3 pounds, 2 ounces, folks.
He doesn't look it.
Nice fish. No, I don't.
I'm gonna do it one more time. Yep. Oh, even better.
3 pounds, 4 ounces. Nice fish. 3 1/4. You don't look like it though.
No, you want to sit.
Not at all.
He's big. We get one for prosperity.
All right, 3 pound, 4 ounce release. Thank you, sir.
He's a nice bass.
Junebug Senko. He was fighting for a while.
Yeah, he's cold. It's cold water too. He's gonna jump. Come on, jump. Jump out. Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Oh man.
Kevin's got another one. Oh, nice.
Small mouth. I told you he was shaking.
Nice.
He walked out.
Nice.
I knew I had him before I had him too. He was running. Trying to get away from the rain.
And they fight hard.
He's got it down.
Hopefully you can get that out.
Yeah. Thanks.
Nice little smallmouth on the Senko. Never leave home without it.
Nice one.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, look. Is that mine?
Well,
That was somebody else.
Alright, Kevin got a good one on, folks. Let's see, what is it? Oh boy, is it a hybrid?
Oh, of course.
Oh my god, look at that rod bank, guys. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god, look at the size of that. Oh, shit. Oh yeah.
Man, I know where he just hit. Pick him up on a fish finder.
Damn. He's fighting hard, man.
You think?
Shit. Yeah.
That's a nice fish. Hooks.
They don't have teeth, right?
What's that?
They don't have teeth.
No, but I got the other trouble in there. For prosperity, oh, I don't have it out. So scale them. It don't matter, I'll throw them back.
Got it.
I'll say between 5 and 7. 5, 4, 6, 6 pounds. Oh, these, you don't have to revive these things, man. Those guys are strong as hell.